Yeah, welcome to PythonLife YouTube channel. Hi Abhishek.
Hi sir.
Yeah, so Abhishek మన స్టూడెంట్ పైథాన్ ఇక్కడే పైథాన్ లైఫ్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాడు. సో ఈ రోజు అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో అభిషేక్ దగ్గర మనం మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయితే తీసుకుంటున్నాము. సో మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అంతా కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఉంటది. ఓకేనా? యా, అభిషేక్, కెన్ ఐ నో అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్?
Well, first of all, thanking you for giving this opportunity today.
Yeah.
Interviewed.
Okay.
First of all, I introduce myself. I describe myself as a backend web developer.
Yeah.
Then,
where did you study your education?
I also completed my education BSc chemistry.
Chemistry department, like you are non-IT?
Yes, non-IT.
Okay. Then yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
And do you have any knowledge on programming skills like previous?
No sir, I don't have any programming language. I didn't writing experience in coding also.
Okay. Like this is the first time?
Yes, this is the first time. And
yeah, like I will ask some questions on Python. Okay. Like can you tell what is the definition of a function? Yeah,
function.
A definition, or else can you tell about what is function in your own terms?
Function is function is a keyword and have a function name.
Okay.
And then have a body.
Okay.
And in that body, and we call when we require output, then we call the function name.
Okay, sure. So you are saying that function is defined with the def keyword.
Yes.
And function name.
Okay.
Then we have the function body. When you have to run the function, we have to call the function name. Okay, exactly. Okay, like can I know what are the hoops features?
Hoops features.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hoops types are object oriented programming language, and in that there are some types like class, object, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymerization.
Perfect. Like did you have idea more about in hoops?
Yes. In class is denoted with the class keyword.
Okay.
And object is when object is created. Okay. There is a sharing of memory.
Okay.
Created of memory, so it is called as a physical.
Yes.
Or represented.
Okay. Like physical entity
and primary entity.
Okay. Like if I want to create more than one classes and have to establishment the relationships, like which type of hoops concept I have to use?
Inheritance.
Can you name the types of inheritance?
Yes. Single inheritance.
Okay.
Multiple inheritance.
Okay.
And multi-level inheritance.
Okay.
Inheritance.
Okay. Like can you explain deeply about the inheritance types?
Okay. Single inheritance means there is a one parent and one child.
Okay.
In the class. And multi-level inheritance means there is a grand class, and there is a one single parent class and a single child class.
Okay.
And then multi-level.
Yeah.
Multiple inheritance means one parent to two child classes.
Okay. Multi-level
inheritance means single parent and dual child classes only.
Multiple is two parent classes, one child class. Multi-level is like leveling tree. Okay.
Multi-level means one grandpa and one parent and one child.
Yeah, that is multi-level.
Multi-level.
Okay. Like, did you have knowledge about Django framework?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is Django?
Django is a Python backend framework
Okay.
to develop the web application and web 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 purpose.
Okay. Like, can you explain about it in detail about MVT architecture?
Yes, sir. It is a model view template architecture.
Okay. Like, okay. Did you know any about file names in the Django project? Can you explain about file names? Like, what type of files are there?
There is a first we have to create a project.
Okay.
In that project, we want create a number of apps.
Okay.
In that, in project, there is a settings app.
Okay.
First, we have to set the app name in the settings.
Okay.
And in apps, there is a model view.
Okay.
View. And also in project, we create templates.
Okay.
To front end output purpose.
Okay.
And also statistic files.
Okay. Like, did you do any projects on Django?
Yes, sir.
Like, can you show me the project? Like, what type of project did you done?
I done Flipkart clones as a copy of Flipkart.
Yeah, like clone.
Yes.
Project using Django.
Using Django backend framework.
Can I know what type of tools are used in that project?
Yes, well, I used tools like Django.
Okay. Python. Did you use Python, right?
Yeah. So Python only Django.
Okay.
Python, Django.
Yeah.
SQLite 3.
Okay. Printed what?
Sir, HTML,
CSS.
HTML, CSS.
Okay.
I used in project also, sir.
Okay, done. Like, can you show me the project output? Like, I want to see.
Okay, so 1 minute.
Please share your screen.
I want to run my project.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Can you see, sir?
Yes, I can see that. Can you open your project folder?
This is my project folder.
Okay, perfect. Did you created any environment?
Yes, sir. I created a Conda, and in Anaconda, I created a check environment.
Okay.
And then I create a project here.
Okay.
In the project,
yeah,
there is a apps, assistance, and media.
Yeah.
And project status files. I said that at last, and templates. We at last I said that SQLite 3 used in a project.
Okay. Like, can you run this program and show me the project front end and back end, and then after like I will see the what type of the implementation you have to done in you have done in the VS Code like that. Okay. Firstly, open that project and show it. Okay. Yeah. Why you are using Conda here? No problem. Say why you are using Conda.
I'm using Conda to activate environment.
Okay. What is the benefit of creating environments?
Because if the customer asks the project,
Yeah.
I will give the project descriptions only, not only the whole pieces
Yeah.
folders.
For the partitioning the projects, and every project have their own individual like different like modules or libraries or packages like that. We will maintain the environments.
Okay.
Yes. Currently, you are in which environment?
I am in check environment, sir.
Okay. Can you run that project? Like, what is the command for running the Django project?
Python .py. Okay.
Can you check the spelling of Python? Yeah. Python manage.py run server is the command for.
Command for run server, run project.
Okay, done. Show me the project.
And this is the local host when we run server.
Okay. What is the local host? Like, what is the use of that link?
Yes, at every laptop there is some local host
Okay.
creating. For this laptop, HP laptop, there is a server local host,
Okay.
Dubai server. I copy this and
Okay.
I go into Chrome.
Okay.
I paste here.
Done.
Yes.
Exactly. Okay.
This
You
is
created this Flipkart that like how you created that like header and footer.
using a Django framework
Okay.
and HTML and CSS.
Okay. Can I know how you get that icons from where you can that get that icons of same exact Flipkart?
I am first of all I scrap from I scrap data from the
Okay.
Flipkart.com.
Good. Like how did you scrap?
Yeah, from using a tools BS4
Okay, like web
scrapping.
scraping. Right? Yeah. So you have scrapped the data from the Flipkart website and you have done exactly clone website using Django.
Yes.
Okay. Can you show the total front end? Yeah. Show me that all.
Yeah. This was a search button.
Okay. Can you search anything?
No. This is a search button. It was enter the keyword.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a have one doubt that if the Flipkart changes their any mobiles or like discounts any products, it will reflect in your site.
Yes, sir. It's definitely.
So it done. Like you have done dynamically. Like there is any changes in the real website,
In
that
real
will
website,
reflect in this
there is a
website.
change in my website also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or yes. Good. You have taken mobile name, you scrapped mobile name and mobile photo and mobile price also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there any features only displaying or is there any features like login, logout like that?
No login,
Not
logout.
yet done.
There is
You
only.
have created you have created a website by
Yes.
using Django.
Yeah.
Scrap like total website source you have scrapped from the Flipkart,
Flipkart.com.
the web scraping.
Yes. Yes, sir. And when we click here, we want when we buy to this mobile,
Flipkart.
when we click here, then we directly go to the Flipkart.com
Okay, yeah, like you are maintaining the intermediate site.
intermediate site.
Okay, like you want to buy anything, you will go to the original site. Like
Original
you
site.
just redirect to the original site. Okay, done. Can you show the this code and how you scrapped? Like, can you show the like your project files?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay. Footer. Where is the footer?
I have a footer also, sir.
Okay, done. Perfect. Yeah, you have done copyright also. Okay. Yeah.
When we click Facebook,
Yeah.
and there is a Twitter and links from a Flipkart also.
Yeah. One thing is that please change that Jan 5 and 2K23 as a like use website format. Like there will
Okay.
be a website format, right?
Okay.
Use that. You can Google it. You can find it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Overall good. And can you show me this all the project source code?
Okay.
Like how you connected this all things and how that was scrapping done. Okay, code.
So here is the source code.
Yeah, exactly. Like you are used CSS and also HTML, right? For
Yes.
front end.
First of all, I created a project, and
Okay.
in that I app here settings.
Okay.
I created app here,
Okay.
and
What is the use of settings.py file?
to set the app and timings of the India also set
Okay.
here, and also include the database,
Okay.
and also set here statistic files to the settings, and template files to the settings.
Okay. Like you are saying that we will connect to database and we will connect the front end part and we will connect like which type of apps we have created in the project.
Yes.
Like we can say that that is total configuration done in setting.py, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you show the templates folder? Like what templates did you use?
Here the template folder.
Are you using like yes direct plugins or else you are using plugins? The JavaScript files and yeah, okay.
Direct HTML logs.
Okay. Okay. Like how many HTML pages are you using? Two pages.
Two
One is
pages, sir. Yes.
page.html, one is
With
page.html.
mobile.html.
Okay. Can you show me the what is the logic behind the scrapping the images of mobiles and mobile names and mobile prices? Where is the logic you have done? Like scrapping.
Here the logic is,
Yeah.
can you see this?
No, no, no. I'm saying only the. Okay, this is okay, right? Like where did you scrap? Can I show the web scrapping code? Like you are scrapped like front end part, like images of Flipkart, right?
Okay.
Where you have done that scrapping?
I'm tapping from a flipkart.com.
Okay.
1 minute.
Did you show me the code? Like where you did that web scrapping?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Here, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is right. Okay. I'm asking that you are showing
Yeah,
this.
I am understand that it is a web scraping.
Yeah, where is the web scraping code? Like you have used use.py, right, for building the business logic.
Here the
Yeah, I'm
source
asking this.
code.
Like how did you scrap the details like that?
First of all, I import the BS4 and beautiful soup. With
Okay.
the help of the beautiful soup,
Yeah.
I use URL of
Okay.
object, and I paste here link, and with that help response, I create a response object and request.getIn
Okay.
URL.content
Okay.
here, and then print response.
Okay.
And I create a soup object and beautiful soup
Okay.
with the help of beautiful soup and response.html parser print soup,
Okay.
and I want to scrap the names here. I need to create a object names, and in a soup object,
Okay.
and dot find all the type classes which is a name classes,
Okay.
here the name class and print name.
Okay. Wait a minute. Like you are using class name of that div tag, and you are scrapping the that names by using the class name, right?
Yes.
You are storing in one list.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Can you
I'm
scroll
storing in the
down?
name list here, and then here write some logic
Okay.
for any names in for repeating names,
Okay.
print name. Here the links and all. I want to share. I want to scrap names and links
Yeah.
and images. You see here images, and then ratings
Okay.
and rate also amount price.
Okay. You all done that by using the classes and stored in one list.
Yes.
Okay. What is the next
One list,
process?
and I stored in my list.
Okay, my list. Why you are using zip function there?
Yeah, I using zip function because of getting products
Okay.
from the line by line.
Okay, done. Yeah. Can you show the how did you send that total data to your front end?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
From here,
Okay.
using a def keyword and mobiles
Yeah.
request and render, and here from here base.html I use base.html. From here onwards I using my list here render,
Yeah.
and then send my data to
Yeah.
template html base.html
Exactly.
here,
Yeah.
and then here is
Okay.
the code.
Yeah. Perfect. Like, yeah, can you show that like how you connected that back end to front end? Like, can you show that HTML page? Where did you connect it, and where you are printing that images and prices and also mobile names?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Like I'm asking, where did you like rendering that all data in your front end part? Like where you are mentioning that my list data.
My
Which
list.
data? Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm looking for this only. Okay, why you are using for loop here? Is it possible that we can use the for loop in front end?
Here there is no possible because 1 minute.
Yeah.
Without using for loop,
Yeah.
there is only one there is a one there is only
One mobile. Okay.
output only one,
I'm
one series
understand.
only.
Okay. Like you are saying that without using for loop,
Yes.
we cannot load the total like images and total
Yes.
data.
Total
Like
data
you
on
are
the
conveying that.
Flipkart page, the total data will not come not using for
Okay.
loop.
Okay, done. Yeah, I'm getting that. Okay. Can you show again that code? Okay, perfect. Done. And done. Yeah. Okay. Hey, like, do you have any idea about DRF?
Django framework,
Yeah, DRF.
Django REST framework. Yes.
Yes. Can you explain about something about DRF in 1 or 2 minutes? Like, in anything.
It is a Django REST framework.
Okay.
Uh, in that we have a decorators and serializers and
Okay.
generic
Okay.
generic API views,
Okay.
mixins.
Okay.
Yes. Mm, well,
Can I know that what is the difference between that this Django, like normal Django and DRF? Did you find any difference?
uh, uh, with the Django framework, there is a handling of a database,
Yes.
handling of the database from the Django REST framework
Okay.
easily, and
Okay.
update from uh, once we once we enter the data in admin
Okay.
database using a DRF, we
Okay.
get an display in the HTML like a output, like using a serializers uh,
Okay.
output of a JSON format.
Okay. Like we can say that by using DRF, we can do CRUD operations very easily,
Yes, sir.
like DRF.
Yes.
Like in Django, we have some complications. Like we have to use more functions like that. But in DRF, we can use mixins, you are
Yes.
serializers. Like they will provide like user-friendly functions for creating, reading, or updating, or deleting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's all good. Like, you have any idea about like any databases?
Yes, sir. MySQL.
Okay. Can you explain? Can you know about what type of like commands are there in SQL?
Mm, Well, for
Do you have any idea?
yeah, I have an idea, but I'm thoughting I'm forgetting.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
Can you explain what is DDL?
DDL, it's a data definition language,
Okay.
and there is some other uh, operations like a DDL or DML, uh, DCL or TCL, and
Exactly.
DQL. DDL means a data definition language, and DML means a data manipulation language, and
Okay.
DCL means data control language,
Okay.
and TCL means a transaction control language, and DQL is a data query language.
Okay. Can you know about that? What is there is like DDL? Which type of operations we can done like that? You can know.
Yeah, well, DDL record operations like create,
Okay.
rename,
Okay.
mm, and drop,
Okay.
and alert.
What?
Uh, alert,
Alter.
alert,
Alter.
alter. Yeah.
Okay. Like what? DML?
DML, I guess there's select,
Okay.
insert, and update and
Okay.
delete.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Like you know all these things, right? Okay. Like why you are confusing? Yeah, I asked only what is the comments of SQL. When I asked DDL, like you are saying exactly, but you are not like thinking what are
I
the.
have a little bit nervous about the language of pronouncing language as fluently in English.
Okay,
So
no
that's
problem.
the
No problem. Exactly, you are doing good. And also, I want to ask about. Did you have any idea about Git and GitHub?
yes, sir. Uh, there is a Git and GitHub.
Git
When
and
we
GitHub.
done with the project and we the source code was stored at a GitHub,
Okay.
and from that GitHub there
Okay.
is a we said that who will see the source code,
Yeah.
public or private, and then we see when we apply public, then the
Okay.
source code will see by all. And
Okay.
if we once we go to the real-time projects, and
Okay.
there is a GitHub is a very useful by the project was done and put in the GitHub, and
Okay.
there is a checking and update
Okay.
on our teammates.
Okay. Did you have any idea about Git commands? Did you use any Git commands?
Git command. Oh, well, I used a GitHub app, and from here
Okay.
I scrap the folder from here and install in the GitHub, and there is a display in the
Okay.
GitHub.
Okay. You didn't use any Git add, Git status, and Git push, Git pull.
No, no.
You have done only graphical user interface by using GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Then, like, you have any idea about Power BI?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Power BI is a tool which is a visualization tool.
Okay.
Mm,
Like,
Once,
did you done any reports on Power BI up to now? Did you done any reports?
yes, sir. I done a report.
Okay, like
Like
present
data
pages, right?
analysis, like project of Titanic
Okay.
data.
Yeah.
In the time, what was the survived or who was survived or who were died. I will
Yes.
whole project,
Like,
and in the
is it possible to show that report now, or you can show that? Is
yes,
there? Okay, no problem.
use the data.
Okay. You have done data visualization using Power BI or else using Matplotlib.
Also using Matplotlib
Okay. Can you show me
for
first
cleaning the
Power BI?
data.
Then after I will come to the EDA project. Okay. First, show me the Power BI report. Like, how did you create it? I want to see. Okay.
Sorry for the late. My system was too late.
No problem. I will wait. No problem. We want to only like how much you have learned from the codes. Like, I want to check that. Okay, I will wait. How many? Like, how much time I will wait. No problem. Okay. So I want to check. Parallelly, you can open that EDA project also. No problem. Like, that will be loaded in parallel, right? Why can't you open in Jupyter Notebook? Why are you opening in VS Code that EDA like IPYNB file? Like, VS Code is compatible for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is IPYNB file full form?
IP
IPYNB.
IPYNB means a Python. It is a Python extension code
Okay.
.py.
Okay. Then what is IPYNB?
IPYNB.
Yeah, I have explained in the class.
IPYNB is a NumPy
No. Interactive Python notebook.
interactive.
Get any idea about that?
Interactive.
Interactive Python notebook. I have explained in the class.
Okay.
Okay. Done.
Oh God.
Okay. Can you check that report is ready, or else we have to wait?
Yeah.
Okay, it's getting load. Okay. Can you know how much configurations of your laptop? Like, it's getting too much slow. Configurations. Did you have any idea about your system configurations? Like RAM,
Yeah. RAM.
4 GB. Yeah.
No 4 GB.
Remove this. Remove this. Okay. Okay. Like which, what is the data set are used in this report? Data set name?
It's a Titanic data.
Titanic data. Okay. You have done like number of survived.
Yes, number of server, number of siblings, and number of women or died of women.
Okay. 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 Good. No problem. Yeah. Can you show me the EDA? What is the full form of EDA?
Explore data visualization.
Exploratory.
Data analysis.
Okay. Done. Yeah. Show me the EDA. Open your VS Code. Yeah. Can you show me? Yeah. Like, did you have any idea about machine learning life cycle?
Machine learning life cycle.
You have done EDA project, right? Like first step what you have done, second step what you have done, third step what you have done.
Yes, sir.
Where did you get the data?
I get the data from a kaggle.com,
Okay.
and I download that CV from there, and from that I import CV here,
Okay.
read CV using read CV,
Okay.
and from here
Okay.
we read data.
Okay.
From here,
Okay.
using the data info, we see that number of rows and columns here.
Okay. Did you check the null values?
Is
Okay. What is the function for checking the null values?
data dot null.
Okay. Okay.
Here,
Okay. In which column there is a null values? In which column? You can see that null values, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
In cabin and in age.
Okay, perfect. Like, did you remove that null values or else you filled?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By which function did you remove that null values?
Here the
Drop
data
in.
dot drop and here
Okay. Why you kept their access equal to 0?
access equal to 0.
Okay. There is any thing that we have to keep 0?
Yeah, actually, yeah, but I forgot that access
Okay.
equal to
That is
0.
usual for the removing the columns. Access equal to 0 for columns, access equal to 1 for rows.
Yeah.
But it has that thing also.
Equal to 0 for columns.
Yeah. Yeah. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, done. Okay, you have done any data visualization? Okay, it getting error, right?
Yes,
Down.
yes, that's all.
Okay, why you didn't done that matplotlib data visualization?
I feel comfortable in Matplotlib.
Both
Okay,
be.
or BA.
Okay, right. No problem. But you have to practice for matplotlib also.
Okay.
Like you have to know how to plot in matplotlib also. Did you have any idea about the matplotlib functions?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Matplotlib function, but little bit only. But I will I have some set my goals for a few years
Okay.
for a web developer.
Okay.
So
You focus on only web development, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, done. So I'm seeing that you are concentrating more on the Django and
Yes,
less concentration on the machine learning side.
yes.
Okay, done. No problem. Yeah. Can you stop your screen? Can you stop your screen?
Okay.
Yeah. Like we have completed our mock interview. I have to give some feedback about the mock interview, like how you done this mock interview. I like genuine review. I will give that. Like you performed well. Like I will give like two sides. One side is that you have learned, and you are going to give answers very good. But like this is the good part. Like you are performing good, you are saying that, and you are saying all the topics, you are explaining that, you are done projects, all the, like one is the degrading part is that like we have less communication in English. This one only minus point. And if you correct that minus point, like you will do very good. Okay, you can perform very good. This is only sample, right? No problem, no problem. Practice well. You have the subject, you have the knowledge. Though you are a non-IT, you are doing all these things. You have done project, you are by own, and you have scrapped the data, you have done EDA project, you have done Power BI. All are good. And concentrate on your communication also.
Yes.
Okay.
I have to thankful for you, sir. Sagar, sir. First of all, I thank for you
Yeah.
supporting every time. At which time also you notice not noticed at 12 o'clock also you helped in WhatsApp
Yeah.
and you creating for the students which was comfortable
Yeah.
field.
Yes.
You are supporting for the student career for which is best for going domains
Yeah.
which was interest
Yeah.
interest of the student.
Yeah, good. Like we can connect and again also, no problem. If we have to attend another mock interview also, I will take. Next time I want to I am feeling that I have hope on you that you will correct that negative point.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Sure? Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.